Hidden apps on Android, how to find. Now this process first of all really depends upon the phone that you're using and the launcher that it comes with. If you have hid a certain app on your Android and you want to find out what kind of apps you've hidden it, what you can do is on a Samsung phone, normally you can open up its app drawer, tap on the three dots option from the top right, then simply go to settings. Then from the settings option, here you will be able to find an option called hide apps on home and app screen. So when you normally go here, you'll find all these sorts of options, where again what you want to do is you'll find the applications that you've hidden. In this case, if you haven't hidden it, you will not find it over here. The other thing over here is that if you suspect that there might be a hidden application on your Android, you can normally find it by simply going to settings. So open the settings application on your Android device. Then from there you want to simply scroll and just go to the option called apps. And once you come to this apps option over here, you want to simply look at all of, now some of these are system apps, so they're not hidden apps, they're basically actually system applications. But if you suspect there might be a third-party app installed or we have hidden a certain app from your launcher, you might be able to find them over here. This way you'll be able to find hidden apps on Android. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.